In this video, I'm going to be going over the #1 reason why after the last 30 years, after trying diet after diet, training plan after training plan, you cannot seem to get the physique of your dreams. I'm going to be talking about it in this video. My name is Derek Ryan. And look, man, I totally understand. The skinny fat physique is one of the most difficult physiques to try to conquer. Everybody around you tells you, oh man, you don't need to lose weight. You look fine. You know, you're not fat. You don't have any weight to lose. But then the conversation with the man in the mirror at the end of the night happens. You take off your shirt. You don't like what you see. I've been there, bro. I have been there. And I totally understand what that feels like. People will never understand. The skinny fat dad bod physique is probably one of the most difficult bodies to conquer. Why do I say that? Because you don't know which way to go unless you are being coached by someone that has done it before. Because you don't know if you should bulk and eat more calories or if you should cut and eat less calories, because you're in that between zone and it's very difficult to tailor something, a tailored approach, a diet to adhere to if you do not know what you're doing. But that's what I'm here for, bro. The answer is simple. You lack the discipline to track what is going into your mouth every single day. And in this video, we're gonna talk about some solutions to that. What, did you think I had some secret for you? I really don't, because there is no secret. And anybody that is selling you a secret sauce, a trick, a gimmick, they're lying to you and they're trying to sell something to you. What gets measured gets managed. Let me say that again. What gets measured gets managed. How in the world can you expect to manage your weight if you have no idea how many calories you are eating in a day? If you think about it, it's actually quite common sense. Human beings just like to overcomplicate everything. The sooner you face this reality, man, the quicker that I can help you destroy this skinny fat dad bod that you think your wife likes, that she tells you she likes, but she's actually lying to you. She doesn't actually like your skinny fat dad bod. It's calories in, calories out, bro. It doesn't matter what you think, what your perception of reality is, bro. The calories that you eat controls the way you look. It comes down to whether you gain weight or you lose weight. If you have no idea what you're eating and how many calories you're eating, you're basically stabbing yourself in the back. And honestly, I'll break this down even more in a future video, but it's not just calories, because you can track your calories and lose weight, but you're not gonna like the way you look. It's more about your macronutrients being specifically tailored to you as an individual, as a skinny fat dad that wants to get rid of that physique. And that's where a coach comes in handy. It's like we said in the intro of this video, what gets measured gets managed. And once you start to connect all the dots and you start to see those numbers in a fitness tracker like MyFitnessPal or Lose It, my personal favorite, you start connecting the dots on why you look the way you look. It allows you to face reality, man. And the reality is that the skinny fat dad bod physique comes from inconsistent calories, low protein, and honestly eating way too much processed junk. It's honestly like walking into a dark room and flipping the light on. A light switch just goes off in your head, and you slowly over time, once you adhere to tracking everything that goes into your mouth, and you're that much closer to conquering that skinny fat dad bod. Now here's a practical tip for you, because I like practicality. I don't like to go away from videos without having something to practice on. So I want you to download either MyFitnessPal or Lose It. I prefer Lose It just because it's more clear. My OCD really likes how clear Lose It is compared to MyFitnessPal. You're gonna track everything that you eat for 2 weeks. Track everything that you put in your mouth. And the database in these fitness trackers there's so many things that it tracks. And it also has a barcode scanner. So there's really no reason not to take that extra 1, 2, 3 minutes to scan something and put it into the tracker to see how many calories you're actually eating. Once you do this, it is going to unlock a switch in your head, because you are going to finally see why it is that you look the way you look. This was me, bro. I would go to McDonald's and the first 2 weeks, I wouldn't change anything on my diet and I would just track everything that I ate. So I would go to McDonald's. I would get the the quarter pounder with cheese, the double quarter pounder with cheese, a large fry, a mocha frappe, a Coke Zero, because I have to justify eating at McDonald's. And then 2 McChickens. That is a 2,500 to 2,600 calorie meal, full of saturated fat, full of oils that inflame the midsection, bro. And I told myself, oh, it's okay. I can eat this every week and everything's gonna be okay. It inflamed my midsection so much. And that's what it's doing to you. Now, the third reason why tracking your food is so important, bro, is because it builds discipline and adherence long term. These are 2 huge skills that you have to learn in every area of life. It's not just in bodybuilding. It's not just trying to conquer your skinny fat physique. It's in every area of life. These are skills that can be transferred to anything, any area of life. That's why I love bodybuilding so much and conquering your skinny fat dad bod, because it correlates to so many other things in your life once you master the skills. Tracking your calories and your macros is about controlling your life. Every single time you choose to track a meal, you're being intentional about things. You're making a plan about things. You stop guessing. You control everything that you put in your mouth. And you start to gain this confidence over time. Think about it, bro. At your 9 to 5, how many people are just mindlessly eating 1,000 calories here, 600 calories there, 800 calories there, and they wonder why they look the way that they look? Tracking your calories is like a contract that you made to yourself, one of the most important people in your life. It's not about perfection, man. It's about showing up for yourself every day and getting 1% better so that you can serve the people that you love genuinely. Way better. And personally, for me, tracking is more than just physical. It's a spiritual thing too. It's a spiritual discipline. 1 Corinthians 9:27 says this: I discipline my body like an athlete, training it to do what it should. Otherwise, I fear that after preaching to others, I myself might be disqualified. Dude, the Bible is your source. Go to the Bible and read these passages, bro. God does not want you to be a gluttonous piece of meat that just follows the programming of an NPC mindset, all right? It's in the Bible. Read your Bible. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And be sure to click or tap the screen right over here, big dog, because in that video, I show you how to cure your skinny fat dad bod once and for all. My name is Derek Ryan, and until next time, rise to God's standard, conquer self-doubt and that skinny fat dad bod, prevail against the lies of modern society, and unplug from the programming of the NPC mindset. Much love.